Welcome guys to my next video, and I hope that you like previous video that was on based on top 20 most important points. So in that video I told that I would be providing a detailed video on the point first. So in this video we'll be setting up UWin account of student, as well as we will be looking at how to set up all your Microsoft 365 apps with Winsa email ID, which is totally free. So let's get started. First you have to search UWin student login. Then you have to go on this first link. The link is here, uwinsa.ca/register/uwinsites student. So sign in to UWin website student. After that they will prompt you to log in with your UWinsa email ID. So I have just written my email address here, and first time if you are doing this, then they may ask you to enable multi-factor authentication. So my suggestion is you go with the Google authentication app, which is on Play Store. It's way much better than any other apps. So now it's asking for password. So guys, as you will input your ID password, so you will be redirected to your UWinsa login portal. So this is how you do it. Here on the top of the page you may be showing the applicant home page as well as student home page. So if your intake is about to start, so you will be enrolled into the student home page from applicant one. In this task tab, one thing I will need to show you, whatever if you click on task, whatever conditions you have on letter of acceptance will be shown here. Mine it is confirm degree grade and final transcript. The due deadline is also given here, so make sure here they have shown it's been confirmed from their side. So guys, moving on to the next, installing Microsoft 365. I will be giving you this link in the description. You just have to visit this web page. Then you have to scroll down under pack your bag session. You will be showing this tab, install Microsoft 365 apps. Just click here, Microsoft 365 apps, and you will be redirected to another page. As this page opens, you have to scroll down a bit and you can see this one, https://portal.office.com. Just click on it towards the Microsoft Office. So this is the page, online login page. I have already logged in, so my account is showing here already, but for you they will ask you for the ID password, and if you have done the first process of signing into your UWinsa account and saving it, then you will also be able to automatically log in. See here what all things you will get. You will get Microsoft Outlook, OneDrive up to 1 GB, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. You can click on any of these. If you click on Outlook, you will be redirected to your email account, outlook.office.com. So you have set up your Microsoft Outlook, you have logged into your Winsa account. Now it's turn to see how to set up in your Android or iOS. So hello guys, moving to the mobile phone now. First application you have to install is Microsoft Office Word. Open it. It will check for our accounts. Click on get started. Now here you have to input your Winsa's email ID. So I'm inputting here. Then just tap next. It will take some time. Now it's asking for password. Now after typing the password, just press that button. So it will ask us to type in the code which is in the authenticator app. So I'm just taking that code. Then it will configure your office and your Microsoft account is all set up. On the left side, if you click on the icon button, you will see my email address over here, and if you click down on the plus button, you can see that you can create Word, Excel, PowerPoint, forms, note, lens, and even more you can do. Just click on the actions down right side. You can sign a PDF, scan a PDF, pictures to PDF. Many things are available here. and it's totally for free till you study at UWindsor. So check this out. Now moving on to the next app that you have to set up, Microsoft Outlook. So you can track your emails. So now just click on open, add account. You will be redirected here and you have to just input your email address of the UWindsor, then click on continue. You will be asked a password again, so just fill it up. Again I have to go and input my code from the Authenticator app. Here they will show you to activate it as a device administrator. So yes, activate. Just input the captcha CFWM activate and press activate. Maybe later, and see your account is open on the Microsoft Office also. So this is the way you can do setup on your website as well as on the mobile phone. I hope you liked the video. If you just liked and feel that this information helped you, please don't forget to subscribe and put your honest reviews in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.